Welcome back to Joel's Bowl. Today, we'll be making SAAG Tofu. This episode is part of my Veganuary special, 31 recipes for Veganuary. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. And as always, this recipe is posted down in the description, as well as being pinned in the comments. So we're going to start off by frying a block of tofu, cut into 1-inch cubes, and just fried in some oil until golden brown. And we can set that aside and prepare our spinach. We're going to take a big bunch of spinach and throw that in a pot of boiling water for a couple minutes just to blanch them. And then we're going to take them out of the water and put them into an ice bath. And then we're going to take 1 tomato, dice that up, and saute that in a frying pan with a bit of salt just to reduce it. And then we're going to grate some ginger, and we're going to fry that in some olive oil. And we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're going to take the seeds from 3 cardamoms and grind those up and add them in as well. Fry that briefly and then add our tomatoes, and we're going to add a bunch of fenugreek as well. We're going to saute that for a couple of minutes before we add our blanched spinach, and just saute that about 5 more minutes. Then we're going to allow that to cool for a couple of minutes before we put that in the blender. We're going to blend that up until smooth, and then once that's done, we're just going to add our tofu, and then we're just going to drizzle that with the 1-to-1 part sauce of coconut yogurt and coconut milk. And there you have SAAG Tofu, an excellent vegan alternative to the traditional saag paneer. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if that's something you're into, and share it around if you know anyone that might also appreciate this sort of content. Remember, in 2020, it's not difficult to make any dish vegan. Go vegan today, for yourself, for the animals, and for the entire earth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!